Hey, what's up, YouTube entrepreneurs? Houston here, and I'm very excited about this video I'm about to show you. It's because I'm going to show you how you don't have to rely on that dead-end job and you just want to be able to make money and travel. So I'm going to show you how to do that. That way you're not just sitting there, or you may be unemployed and you're like, I can't find a job. I'm going to show you how to be able to make money and travel the world at the same time. Now, for those of you that are not familiar with me, Houston with Three-Way Funding, we're the home of the true entrepreneurs. And what we do, we teach you how to build up your business credit and corporate credit, how to restore your personal credit, and how to get the funding for your business and personal needs. For those of you that have not had a chance to subscribe to our YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that big red button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us that big thumbs up, and like our video and share our video. Now, how to travel for free and get paid daily. One of the things I always tell people, if you're going to be working and trying to start your own business and making money, you have to set up a corporation. And the reason you're setting up a corporation, because wherever you're working at, you always want them to pay the money to the corporation, because it's going to build up the financial statements, and those financial statements you're going to be able to take to the bank to get more money. Also use those financial statements and bank statements to buy your home or to do real estate investment, because they see that, hey, I'm generating revenue in my business. All right, so let's talk about this. Now, if you have transportation, reliable transportation, and you'd like to, I'm tired of this environment, I want to see the world, I want to do something different, then you can sign up for companies like Wings, Uber, Lyft, Turo. Now, Turo is where you rent your cars when you're not using them. Okay. However, for those of you that don't mind going from city to city or using your vehicle, or don't mind picking up passengers or packages and stuff, now, why not use Wings or Uber or Lyft? So that way you're making money, and yet so in your own time. So no one's telling you when to get up, when to go to bed. You know, this is your time. All right. Another thing, for those of you that may not have reliable transportation, there's plenty of companies out there looking to hire you. You may have to rely on public transportation, or you may have to rely on a bike, or just walking, or you may just enjoy walking. But at the same time, being able to travel in different cities and be adventurous about what you want to do, you can check out companies like Instacart. You can check out companies like Grubhub. You can sign up for companies like Postmate, where you're delivering food in different small packages. Another company that you can check out, that you don't have to have your own reliable transportation, public transportation, a bike, or on foot, is companies like Ship. Also, you got Gig Walk. So if you don't have your own reliable transportation, or you don't have your driver's license, you only have an ID, hey, why not check these companies out and sign up for them? That way you're getting paid on a daily or weekly, at the same time paying that money to your corporation, building up those financial statements, so that you will be able to use those financial statements to go get that reliable transportation. But at the same time, you're still traveling the world, and you always have access to employment. Now, for those of you that are good with your hands, why not check out companies like Dolly, TaskRabbit, Handy, Tackle? So if you don't mind a little physical labor, where you're putting furniture together like IKEA furniture, or doing different things, you may know how to build an extra room for somebody or something like that. Hey, why not check out companies like this? Sign up for companies like this, and on your way. You can go to New York, San Francisco, LA, Miami. So these companies are pretty much everywhere. And you sign up on the app, and you're just going off of your app. You picking and choosing what jobs, and you picking and choosing what time you're available. So you're not at the mercy of somebody else's time. They're on your time and when you choose to work. All right. So I just wanted to make this quick video to give you some inspiration, to let you know, if you're in a dead-end job and you don't want to work that job anymore, or you may be in an environment that's infested with negative thinking or high crime, and you just want the opportunity to see the world, hey, check out these companies. I'll put the list of companies below this video because there's so many out there. But at the same time, first thing I always tell you before you start any type of company, with any type of company, to start your own business, set up the corporation, and that's what three-way funding is here for. So click the link below the video to learn more about how to set up your own corporation and start making money to build up those financials to travel the world. So those of you that have not had a chance to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that big red button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.